Dear brothers and sisters, hello and welcome. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video. I will show you today how to create a GUI application, like a graphical user interface using Python. I'm gonna just showcase the application. Basically, it's about how to protect your identity, or store or generate like a fake first name, last name, or create them. Okay, this is basically, I just launched the application. I'm just writing here some random name. Muhammad is the most popular name, so that's the one I'm going with. Muhammad Zakaria, and username, I'm gonna just use the first letter from the first name and the last name. Most people go with that. And that's how I program the program to do it. But and password, you can choose the password you want, or you don't need to remember them because everything actually stored in the database. And you can also copy either the password. As you can see, there are total of 7 buttons. So as you can see, there's add, update, and delete. So basically a CRUD functionality. And the other one you just copy. Either you copy the username if you want, or copy the password just to avoid mistakes. And then when you add the identities, it goes to the list. You can edit, you can change anything, and it will update on the fly. Just hit update and it changes automatically, as you can see. And that's source just for you to remember. For example, if you sign up for a Yahoo account, use this fake ID, fake numbers, and then you'll see, okay, what did I use for Yahoo? You can go and see, oh, this is for Yahoo. That's what you use. So that's basically the main functionality. So even if you close the application, I used SQLite to store the database. So as you can see, I copy it from the application to another folder or web browser, whatever, another application or web browser, wherever you want to paste it. Even if you close the program, you still have the clipboard on your ready to paste anywhere you want. And you can have as many websites or login data, or you can use it for anything, even, I don't know. And I will recreate it. I think most people use Windows, so I will fire my Windows VM and just create it there. So basically I use Debian for the main operating systems. Now it's Debian 10. It's pretty good OS. Anyway, as I was showing, you can basically delete, add, updates, create, and this one generate. You see, this is fast and easy way to do it. You can just type the source that you need to log into. Like, let's say you went to a random website.com and you want to create an account there. They ask you, and you don't want to use your social network or whatever. Just go to source and type randomwebsite.com that you're at, and click OK, and this will generate a first name, last name. Most of somebody ask for an email address, so you can use one for spam. You can either create an account with Google, Yahoo, or Amazon, MSN, I don't know. Okay, I think that sums it up for now, and I'll just create an executable and I will be back pretty soon. I'm using a PyInstaller. It's a software that used with Python to freeze or generate an executable file you can use in other operating system, or without have to have Python installed in order to run it. So it's a standalone application. so you can give it to your friend, or I don't know, sell it, or whatever you want to do with it. It will take a few seconds or a few minutes, not a few minutes, maybe a few seconds. As you can see, there generates a distribution folder there. We're gonna just open the locations. I have it under projects, logins, and it should be distribution. You see, generate this single file application. But you see, it's missing some files that I have. I put them in an ink folder, like ink loads basically. I put there, it generate the database file, and they have a list.txt file. Basically the lists there are just 1,000 words, and the database, I'm gonna just delete it because this will generate and if there is anything there, it will actually be erased. So as you can see, the list has a bunch of words, like 1,000 words I put there, and it's used to basically mix and match the some letters to make a word. It's not a perfect word because I chopped them up. It's a word that doesn't make sense basically, although that word makes sense. As you can see, the application is running standalone by itself. I test it on other operating systems that they don't have Python, and it works. As you can see, it does what I want it to do. So this will be especially useful to many people out there who doesn't want to, they are privacy conscious, want their name and stuff to be out there. So it will be useful. I hope you like this video, and if you do, just follow the other videos, share them with your friends, family, and also, if you don't mind, thumbs up, subscribe to encourage me to do more videos like this. And you can keep watching while I'm, just adding, showcasing like you can add as many as you want, and then when you have more than what the list show, you can use the scroll bar. There is like a tiny little thing there. It's like a scroll bar. As you can see, if you click on it, it will actually go down or up based on what's your desire. Thank you so much again for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, and have a blessed day. Bye.